Cheese. Hey guys, we're gonna go dip inside the pool. We finally made it.
We're going here.
Yeah. Wait, put it up. Hey guys.
Hey.
We just made it back to our after our dinner reservations. It was nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the line was horrible. It was crazy.
We're using the flash.
Yeah. But right now we're just walking through and exploring the little hotel thing. It is actually very nice, and it's currently like 11 something, and my birthday will be officially at 12 o'clock.
Oh wait, what time is it? Oh, it's 11:32, so we got 28 minutes.
Yeah, so I'm so excited. Anyways, guys, how are you guys feeling?
Good. I'm excited to explore. Me too.
This place is really nice. It's literally the bayou from Tiana. And yeah, we're gonna see.
Yo, we were trying to eat in a restaurant.
Okay, they did my girl so bad with Tiana. Okay,
sorry.
The restaurant. I'm so sorry. The restaurant. I feel strongly about this. The restaurant had no seasoning in any of their dishes.
No.
How are you gonna do Tiana like that? Anyways, that's it.
And also they like brought this butter and there was like no seasoning. I was like, what the heck, yo?
Yeah, it was a little trash.
But I still ate because I was like hungry as heck.
But it was
Yeah.
fun.
Anyways, guys. Also,
Are you sure?
how do you feel after drowning at Blizzard Beach?
Oh, girl,
Amazing.
the wave pool traumatized me, but we still good. We do.
Yeah. Also, we went on that very tall slide.
Oh my gosh.
It's literally it's
No,
vertical.
when I
It's
tell
like
you-
it's like this.
And when I tell you, all of our hearts were beating like so fast, like
Yeah.
I
mine
literally
was
almost
more.
threw up. I'm not even joking.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It was
you
bad.
know, as soon as I went last, but as soon as Gabby went, like literally the first thing that popped up in my head was like, oh hell no, I'm about to walk down. But I already sat down, and that guy's like, I know what you're thinking.
No, literally, did you see what I was like? Give me a minute. He's like, take 3 seconds and just go. I'm like, okay.
Because I feel like if you wait too long,
Where are we going? This way.
okay, I feel like if we wait too long to do something that we're scared of, we're just gonna end up just thinking about it for
And
too long and
regret
leave it. Yeah,
Moral of the story: live your life.
yeah.
Literally.
YOLO.
Don't like if it's like even if it looks bad, just do it. Just literally do
Yeah.
Literally do it.
it. Like literally after when me and her do it, like all of us honestly, we like felt so like we're like, dang, that's like the best ride honestly.
Yes.
I don't know about y'all, but I was scared. I literally.
No, did you hear my heart beating, bro?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, her heart was beating fast.
yeah.
But I literally almost threw up. I felt like I was in an audition or something. Like
That's what I was
like stage fright. Yeah.
That's
Anyways.
funny. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you some clips of the little hotel, like
Yeah,
the little
we've been
walkthrough. Yeah,
Yeah.
we've been yapping for like
A
2-3 minutes.
What's it called? Slow montage.
Yeah. But that's basically the updates. Basically, for day 2, we're gonna go to the pool and invite all our friends over, and then cut cake, and then why?
Basketball games.
Yes, I have a basketball game. Also, I really said that like really bad. I meant to say before we go to the pool, we're gonna go to
Alright,
Hollywood
Don't
Studios.
explain. Goodbye.
But
Bye, y'all. Love y'all.
love y'all. Peace out.
I'm a freaking photographer, bruh. I'm freaking goated. I know what I'm doing. Cuz.
Isabella's the goated photographer.
Yo.
Better than
I'm
me,
the
bro.
videographer, bro. Lock in.
Yes.
I can't
I
see
think
shit.
that
Everything's
looks
black.
cool. Sorry about the lighting. I'm gonna fix that for you guys really
Hey,
quick.
you know what, Leah?
Oh, there we go. Anyways, you like it? It's one thing about walking at nighttime with a lot of nature. Because I feel like I'm just looking at a whole bunch of trees and stuff like that, but it looks nice. You know? And I'm just yapping,
Goodbye.
but like,
All right,
Yeah.
we're gonna see you. Let's see if we can find a park.
this is cute.
We should do like a. Yo, Loki, if we got McDonald's, bro, we could have done a mukbang.
Oh, with egg. Gabby. McDonald's. Oh, wait, I think I seen like a video. Sorry, I can't see. I'm blinding myself. And I almost fell like 3
Okay.
times.
Ready?
What happened?
I fucking did.
Bro, you almost made me pee my pants.
There was a step. I didn't know there was a step.
I'm not gonna lie. I did that too.
Bro.
Get on this slide.
Yeah, I want to
Go.
go on that one because that
Bro,
one.
holy crap.
They win that one. You're going to.
Okay, go on.
Or do you want to go on that one?
I don't care. It's just like,
I'll go on it again.
3, 2, damn.
Casual ass.
I feel like.
Yo, it's wet.
Oh shoot. Well, for me, I'm good. I feel like back then the slides were like dangerous.
Better, bro.
Now
They're
this
right,
thing don't
like-
even work. No, because last time I remember going to parks, bro.
Oh my
I'd get bumps on my head.
Swing on it.
I hated those things because I got blisters.
Yo, you cannot swing on it though.
Come on, watch out. Wait, okay, not just joking. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Do both of y'all.
Yeah! Oh, heck no.
Grown
so
ass
short.
kid. 15 by the way.
Yay!
15 by the way.
All of us are 15.
15 by the way.
Hey!
15.
Guys, I'm the only one who's turning 16 this year though.
I still
Baby,
stay
I
in
am
the parks
too.
though.
You too?
No.
Y'all, I'm excited
What is this?
to eat some cake. I've been waiting for these cakes every year because I don't know where my mom buys it. I don't know. The best.
All right, do y'all want to go on that tree that we saw? Because that would look like.
Oh
aesthetic.
yes, we want to take like cute aesthetic pictures. Right
All right, here comes the countdown of Miss
11:51.
Yareli Santiago. Ay.
See?
All right,
I don't know
what
why I
time
keep
is it?
doing
What time is it? Still 11.
Still 11:59.
Hold on.
Ready,
y'all.
ready. You have to sing that song.
What's gonna?
The hype one, yeah.
Alright. I'll sing the Epiki.
Okay. Espérate.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Alright.
Go in this hallway.
Hold on. No, but I can't sing that out here.
Girl, who cares?
Yeah, you're right. Bro, this song is taking too long.
Is it still 11:59?
Look at this arcade, bro. We definitely have to go here, bro.
Arcade.
Alright, y'all. Like, chop it up, bro.
Hold on.
Look how long this is.
Let's see.
Should I sing the
Countdown.
whole song and then Epiki?
No, do it, Vicky.
Okay, done. Epiki! Epiki! Epiki!
Ahora mismo. Feliz, feliz de tu día, amiguita, que Dios te bendiga, que reine la paz en tu día y que cumplas muchos más. Happy birthday, Yari.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Cover your.
Boy, I love you.
This needs to be a cherished moment. Do it again.
Do what? Oh, it's close. Isa, give me a hug.
Yeah, Isa, give her a hug. She's 15 now. She's our age.
15. Ew.
We're all 15.
Cut this shit out.
Oh, yeah,
I
you're
want
right.
to see you grow anymore.
I look probably chopped right now.
Oh yeah, it's close.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're so vibrant.
Kami at Tiki.
Oh, they like. What type of bird is that?
Guys, we're about to go on the
Time
roller
travel commences.